Welcome back to the channel. What you've just seen is a few seconds of some security camera footage from last night of something that lasted about an hour, and every minute or so we'd get these flashes that look like satellites but only lasting a short duration and in the same area of the sky. And that's why I'm sat here, to give you a better context of where things happened last night. And as a quick backstory, my wife and I like to sit out here in an evening if it's nice weather, and it's been 21 degrees last night, or 70 degrees Fahrenheit, so nice and warm, sitting outside, and we like to watch the sky, the sunset, turtles in the lake, fish jumping, that kind of thing, and bats even. But sometimes satellites, we're very used to them, and of course aircraft as well. But with all the talk of UAPs and UFOs recently, and some of the things we have seen here before, I thought this stuff's worth asking your opinion about, because surely people know what that would be. We've been outside here, at least 100 times while we've lived here, and never seen anything like what I'll show you in this video. So hopefully that intro helped to show you what you'll be seeing on the screen. Across the way is the neighbour's house. You can see his light still on. At the top of the screen is the moon. Nearer to the tree line is Venus, and you can see that bright light shining now between Venus and the moon on the right hand side. From there to the bottom left would be about where Venus is and the tree line. So you get a kind of a square area of where everything happened over that hour. You can see another one that's not very bright going towards Venus above it, and hopefully that helps you to know what to look for and where in the sky as well. There will also be aircraft, which we know what those are. So before playing the hour-long footage that I've actually sped up by 1,000 times, so it only takes 4.5 minutes to watch, I would like to look at a couple of highlights, things that stood out really, and also to appreciate that lots of people will be on cell phones and tablets, so I'll zoom in. But these will be real-time clips, and the zooming in is for your benefit, so you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. So the first one is this object, which was bright enough to be seen in the lake water. You can see the reflection of it in the lake water there. This happened several times with several different objects. I'll just play the clip again a couple of times so you can see it being reflected in the water. This next clip shows various objects in the sky all at the same time, and indeed one after the next after the next. I will speed this up so you're not waiting around all day, but it does clearly show how many objects we're kicking around. And I say clearly, but I know we're looking at just dots on a screen from night vision on a security camera, but that's why the following footage, the full footage that I've sped up to show on the screen, is so important. It really does give a gravity to what was experienced. It'd be fantastic to hear from you, and I don't know if there's been any meteor showers or anything like this, but they were coming in different directions and seemingly at different speeds. I do know that Starlink have been taking down 1,000 of their older satellites, but only at about 5 or 6 a day, so it shouldn't be those. I'd just really like to know your opinion on what the footage is showing. Thanks very much for watching, and here is the full hour.